What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details. It's been a minute. Located in Chesterton is our only location. So we've been very busy, a lot going on. First vehicle I'm going to show you here is a 2024 GMC Denali with the Duramax diesel. Done the window tint in the Expel XR 20%. Full frontal with the Expel Fusion Plus with built-in ceramic coating, full hood, wrapped edges, fenders, mirrors, A-pillars, front bumper, headlight, grille area. This is just getting its final inspection here. That's why the hood is up, and then it's got to get its bath, and then this thing will be delivered at the end of the day. Then over here we got Jose working on a 2021 Cadillac XT5. Just done a ceramic coating on the vehicle from the doors back, and this is getting a full frontal with the Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion, hood, fenders, mirrors, front bumper, headlights. We do not ceramic coat before we put our film on. I find it's kind of a waste of time and money. However, we do polish and stuff like that, but film applies much better than ceramic coatings, and you're paying all this money for film and then to have to stack underneath it a ceramic coating, it's kind of a waste. Our opinion here. Anyway, we've done it both ways, and the film does stick better. A lot of installers, if you talk to them, they have problems with edges sticking and stuff like that because it's so slick and hydrophobic. That is one of the reasons. So this vehicle will be completed by the end of the day tomorrow and out the door. Then we have a new hire, Remy, that's been with us for a while. Comes from a background of vinyl wrapping, which we're going to be announcing here soon. We're going to be picking that up heavily as well. But he does an excellent job at PPF, and this is a 2024 Tesla Model S Plaid. We're doing a full fusion wrap with the built-in ceramic coating in the film. All windows tinted are already done with the XR Plus, 70% windshield, 20% all the way around. Then this is going to be a rims off and ceramic coat rims and calipers. This one is projected to leave sometime first of next week sometime. Monday's a holiday, so anyway, Tuesday, Wednesday, this one will be leaving. Then we have the almighty grail. This is a 2024 Audi R8 GT. This vehicle is one of 333 produced. Number, I believe, 231. I could be off on that on the dash. Only 150 of these were allowed in the United States, and the rest were allocated to go everywhere else. Anyway, very humbled and proud to be working on this car. My team, especially Magic Hands Jay over here, has completely knocked this out of the park. This is a Daytona Gray Pearl, and we fully wrapped it in the Stealth from Expel Fusion. Every piece of this car is wrapped custom, no seams. All carbon fiber has been wrapped in the Fusion Clear. Rear spoiler, Remy did the rear spoiler. Jay just finished up with all this carbon fiber. Very intricate, difficult car to do, but it come out absolutely stunning. One of the things I also want to talk to you guys about is why we're different here. All wrapped edges where possible. We have different packages, but our standard, we do not upcharge. Everything is wrapped where we can get our hands around. All debadging, so there's no digital cutouts. But we want our film to look as perfect as possible. So on this hood, to anybody out there that knows PPF or want to look it up, this is one of the most difficult hoods to wrap in one piece. They have kits to where you would seam it down this body line. They look like crap in my opinion. But Jay and Kenny installed this one take, and it come out absolutely stunningly beautiful. Again, all wrapped edges, no seams anywhere. One of the reasons this is so difficult is because such a big piece and the angles, massive fingers all through this area here. But they, anyway, they killed it and went from there. Then another thing is that I believe that we're the first ones, I know, in this whole area around here to wrap one of these. The roof on this, they're in our computer software system. This is supposed to be the A-pillar coming up, and then it seamed right here because it's such a huge sheet. So, and our rolls only come in 60 by 50 rolls for this. So we got very creative, Jay, Kenny, and myself, and we measured everything up. So when we put the whole sheet over, here, the film laid over here, so we had this bottom part. Hence, that's why they say it's got to be seamed here. And Jay is phenomenal at seaming. You got to really look for his seams. So we said, let's just try to do this in one piece. So we come up with a game plan, and by God, they knocked it out. One piece, first take, come out absolutely stunning. Yeah, I can't say enough for my guys. So this is supposed to be done for the end of the day tomorrow to be delivered. But this is, wow, what a car. Absolutely stunningly beautiful. Kenny's got a lot of pictures of this too. He's going to add in the video. And then that's what's going on right now. We have a massive amount of cars coming in. We have the new 2024 BMW M4 Comp Series for a full wrap. We have a handful of Porsches, some more Teslas, all kinds of vehicles. Anyway, thank you everybody that's trusting us to bring us their vehicles. We're very humbled, but this is the work that we do. Give us a call at 219-628-0288. I invite everyone to come down because everyone can say how good they are. Come down to our establishment. This is 90% of what we do is PPF work. So come down, look at all the cars that we have, inspect our work as we're doing it with your own eyes before you book your car. If you're wanting your car booked, get on the books because we are swamped. We're already completely booked out for September and we're going into the third week of October. Which we're very humbled and grateful for. So come down and see us at 419 Council Drive in Chesterton. Thanks for watching. Sorry it's been a minute, but for now, love and happiness, peace.